are guys, my candied yams ready to enjoy. Hi everyone, I'm Naomi. Welcome to Naomi's Filipino Kitchen, where my aim is to bring the taste of the Philippines to the West. Today, I'm going to make candied yams. In the Philippines, we call this Camote Cue. Here are the ingredients of my candied yams: sweet potato, sugar, and cooking oil. Wait until the end of this video for a sneaky peek of some of my other recipes. Okay guys, we just need to peel and slice the sweet potato. Here is the yam, all sliced, ready to be fried. Now, let's start cooking. Heat the oil up on the pan. Now the oil is hot, just add the sweet potato. Now turn the heat to medium. This is going to be a very delicious candied yams. We're going to cook these guys in several batches. After 2 minutes, just turn them over. To cook the other side, just sprinkle the brown sugar on top of the yams. As you can see, the sugar started to caramelize. To create the candied yams. After 4 minutes of frying, just remove the yams and put it on a nice plate. Okay guys, just cooking my last batch of my candied yams. Here we are guys, my candied yams ready to enjoy. Now let's try my candied yams. Oh, it's so delicious. Oh, you have to try this guys, you really love it. I love it. Oh, so delicious. Memories of my childhood just flooding in. Guys, in the Philippines, this will be cooked in larger batches and sold as street food for everyone to enjoy. Guys, my candied yams are best served warm. I hope you enjoyed my candied yam today. If you like it, then like it. And if you love it, please subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you soon.